Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use your phone as a webcam. For this, we need to open a browser and download DroidCam. Here we're selecting the OBS plugin. Yes. Now, scroll down and download it to your computer first. You'll also need to download it on your phone through the App Store or your phone's browser. Open it. Click Yes. Click Agree, install the support, click Install, and then click Finish. There. After that, in OBS, you'll see the Droid Web option appear. Right? And here you'll need to enter your phone data and connect the sample viewer. Goodbye, everyone.